Hello everyone, welcome to today's weekly analysis for this new trading week starting from 10th of March to 14th, 2025. Alright, in this video I will be showing us what to anticipate, so please make sure you watch to the end as I will be begin with the review of what just happened last week since I couldn't drop it yesterday, and be able to telling you what to anticipate or look out for this new trading week. As you can see on the chart, the last week was really interesting based on what we discussed in the previous video on DXY. You see how the market has been playing now. This was our anticipation. This is where we anticipate price to come into, right? React off this block and to the peep, and price dropped, and we marked two areas that we're anticipating the up, and price broke this down. So you can see how it ended on DXY. Okay, on Euro USD, you can see this was the place we worked on. Later markets dropped down here, and boom, to the upside. This was the target we marked prior to this time, and market went through it and closed massively on a bullish run. Then on GBPUSD, you can see there was what happened on on Monday last week. You can see we're anticipating price to take the low here after stepping into this area, which are point of interest. We plan that price, or we anticipated price to take the low here on that Monday, but it failed. Then on H4, it gave us an FVG, which market reacted from. So because it didn't take the low, the high was a strong point of or draw on liquidity, which market went on for, and they hit the target we have been anticipating for about 2 weeks before now. All right, so far so good. The markets, you can see, are all bullish. GBPUSD is bullish, strongly bullish. EURUSD is bullish, and DXY is still very much bearish. Okay, so the question is, what should we anticipate? Don't forget, market cannot keep pumping to the upside all through for about 2 weeks. There's always an avenue for the market to breathe. All right, so in this case we expect the market to breathe in a little bit before continuing on their direction. So in my opinion, from anticipation, all you need to do is to look out for a sell scenario, right? Look out for a sell scenario. It doesn't mean market will keep selling all through, as the case may be, but we want to sell into the 50% of this range, right, of the just concluded trading week. For these 5 candles, we want price to sell into the 50%, and that should be this area here marked. Within this area marked, all right, so price might take the high, whatever it happens, might jump down and come into the low. Same thing on GBPUSD. We want to see anticipate price to trade into this trend line that I placed here below the major horizontal line. Okay, so price should trade into, there's an FVG, yes, so trade into this FVG. So that is our anticipation for the GBPUSD, because already on EURUSD, we want to see something like this on EURUSD. Let's see how the market might play out on EURUSD. This was the area I marked based on the news for the last week. I told us that the best time to trade for last week was Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and this was the aftermath of what I marked on free channel group, and price played as we anticipated it, and so we're anticipating price to drop down. But the only thing that can counter this trade setup is a fundamental. Don't forget the impact of fundamental on the forex market chart. since President Trump has, assumed position, you can see the impact of all of his speech, all of his decision on the forex market. That is even what makes it interesting. And this is going to continue for the next, 3 years to come, as far as he's still on that through this tenor. Market will keep on, showing us some funny moves based on the economic occurrence, and some of the things behind the scene. So the only thing that will violate this setup into the upside is fundamental. So make sure you watch out your news, listen to news, and see the decision. And that decision will be based on how the market will be, moving. So if the decision tells us that USD is stronger, what happens? Whatever decision they take, that tariff decision or any economic decision, if USD is strong, what happens? EU will drop down. But if USD becomes weaker, that means this setup might be violated. All right, that is that on USD setup and the rest of them. So I think that is that. So please make sure you subscribe and follow us on YouTube, or you can join our free Telegram. You can as well drop your comment or your question when necessary as we meet on Saturday for a review on this. So let's go bearish when necessary. Till we meet, have a nice trading week. God bless you.